Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine at home. Children, how was your trial test? I hope it was very nice. So, children, in the same way, you will give your periodic test. Okay, in the same pattern, multiple choice questions will be there and you have to appear. Children, in the last class, we were doing exercise 3C, subtract by regrouping. So, we discussed question number 1 and I gave you homework to solve this question number 1. But children, today again we will discuss two more sums. Let's start this D number. So children, in this D number, here we have to subtract 4 from this 5. So here children, you may look 5 is bigger than this 4. No need to regroup. 5 minus 4, answer is here 1. Now under the tens column 0 minus 0, that is 0. Under the hundreds column 0 minus 0, that is 0. Under the thousands column, again 9 minus 3 is possible because 9 is bigger than your 3. 9 minus 3 is your 6. So our answer is 6001. Now moving to question number F. Here we have to subtract 877 from this 1331. Under the ones column, you have to subtract 7 from this 1. This is not possible because 1 is smaller than this 7. So we need to regroup. So 1 will borrow from this 3. Isn't it? So children, regroup this tens into ones. So 3 becomes your 2 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 7 is your 4. Again 2 minus 7 not possible because it's smaller than 7. Now 2 will borrow from this 100. Now regroup these hundreds into tens. 3 becomes your 2 and this 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 7 children? Yes, 5. Right here 5. Now here 2 minus 8 again not possible. So now regroup these thousands into hundreds. 1 becomes 0 and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is your 4 and this 0 is 0. So answer is 454. I hope it's clear children. Now question number 2. Subtract 333 from 1111. So children, here we have to write numbers under the place value columns. So children, look at here. I have written under the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands column. So always the bigger number you will write first and this smaller number you will write to next. Okay. Now children, under the ones column you need to subtract 3 from this one. This is not possible because 1 is smaller than this 3. Very good. Now children, regroup these tens into ones. So this 1 becomes 0 and this 1 becomes 11. Now 11 minus 3, yes, that is your 8. Now again 0 minus 3 not possible. So again regroup these hundreds into tens. It becomes 1 becomes 0 and now this 0 becomes your 10. Now 10 minus 3 is your 7. Getting? Now again 0 minus 3 not possible. Regroup these thousands into hundreds. So this 1 becomes your 0 and this 0 becomes your, yes, 10. Now again 10 minus 3, this is your 7 and this 0 only 0. So answer is 778. Similarly, moving to question number B, subtract 994 from 7183. So between these two number children, which is bigger? Yes, this one, no. 7183. So write this number first and this number in the next line. Now we will subtract 4 from this 3. This is not possible. Regroup tens from this ones. It becomes 7 and 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 4, that is your, yes, 9. Now children, again 7 minus 9 is not possible. Now again regroup these hundreds into tens. 1 becomes 0. 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9, that is your 8. Okay. I will tell you a method how to subtract 17 minus 9. Okay. So after 9 children, you start counting till this 17. I will show you. After 9, you start this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay, now you count how many? Yes, 8. So we are writing here 8. Okay, so you just count after this number till this number. Now again children, here 0 minus 9 not possible. 0 will borrow from this 7. 7 becomes 6. 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 9, it's simple, 1. Now 6 is only 6. Answer is 6189. Now moving to question number D. Subtract 1422 from 5301. Again children, between these two numbers, write the bigger number first and the smaller number to the next. Okay. Now under the ones column, subtract 1 minus 2. It's not possible. Now 2 will, yes, you cannot subtract na. Now 1 will just borrow from the 0. Here it's already 0. Okay. You cannot regroup here. So now this 0 will borrow from this 3. So this 100 will regroup to tens. Okay. Regroup 100 into tens. So this 3 becomes your 2. 0 becomes 10. Now we can regroup this tens into ones. Because now it is not 0. Now it is your 10. Now you can regroup. So this 10 becomes your 9 and this 1 becomes 11. Now children, again 11 minus 2 you have to do. Now use this method. After 2 you count till 11. Let's start. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Tell me how many? Yes, 9. No. So write here 9. Now children, 9 minus 2 again you can do. That is 7. Now 2 minus 4 not possible. Again you regroup this 1000 into hundreds. So this 1000 becomes your 4 and 2 becomes 12. Now again 12 minus 4, start counting. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now tell me how many? Yes, it's 8. So write here 8 and 4 minus 1 you can do 3. So our answer is 3879. Children, I hope you are getting. Yes, it's very important children. You have to practice these subtractions. Okay. Now moving to question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. So here empty boxes are there. You have to fill your digits. Okay. Now children, let's solve A number first. Look at question number A. Here children, this digit we don't know. Okay. But after subtraction, we are getting a 3. That is more than this number. No, it means you are subtracting not from 2. You are subtracting from 12. Clear? Because here the difference you are getting more than this minuend means it will be not 12, it will be 12. Okay. It will be not 2, it will be 12. And now how it will become your 12? Means you have regrouped these tens, no? Okay. Now these two steps are clear. Now tell me, from this 12, what number you will subtract to get this 3? Yes. Again you start. Start for counting from 3 till 12. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 9. Means there will be 9. Now children, again, here you are getting 0. So what number you will subtract? What is it? Yes, from this 0 to get 0. That is 0. That is 0 minus 0 is 0. Clear? Now 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. So your missing digits are these one. So children, you have to solve in this way. Now B number you will solve. This is your homework. So children, your home assignment, exercise 3C, you will do question number 2, all the sums, and question number 3, all the sums. I hope it is clear children. Okay. Today this much only. Thank you children. Have a nice day.